If you have achieved a level in your foreign language where you are basically comfortable using the language, you can communicate with people comfortably, you can listen to stuff, you can read stuff without any greater problems, that's great, congratulations, because achieving this level is not very simple. So if you have made it that far, then that's awesome. And the best thing is about to start, because you can now actually start using the language and learn new stuff and learn new information using the language as a tool, which I think is even better. And this is actually one of the reasons why I love learning languages, because I just love to get new information through a different language. I don't know, it just makes me much happier than if I do it through my mother tongue, which is Slovak. So what I suggest you do if you want to improve your language and you are on a comfortable B2 level and you want to move it a little bit up, maybe to a C1 level, I suggest that you start using the language to learn new stuff with online courses. I suggest, for example, the website Udemy.com, which has a lot of free courses about everything possible. I mean, any topic that can possibly interest you will probably already be there as an online course. And also many universities create open courses for the public where you have lectures from professors and you can learn about topics which interest you. And in this way, you can use the language to get new information about something that interests you, but also to learn the language itself. Because if you start listening to the language and reading stuff, I mean working with the language, with a topic that is specific, that is about something in particular that interests you, then you will learn a lot of vocabulary which is connected to this topic. And I suggest that you combine the two things. So you learn, you get the information, you use it and you're happy about it, but also you start noticing the language more and more, and you work with the phrases that you see in there. You write them down and somehow process them with other methods to make sure that you put them into your active vocabulary, not just the passive one, right? So what you can do, one of my favorite methods, which you probably heard from me already, is the Goldlist method. You can just write down phrases which you heard in the course and then put them into your Goldlist method. Or you can use an Anki app or whatever app you use to learn vocabulary. And in this way, if you, for example, decide to work systematically, let's say 20 minutes a day, and you will always make sure you note 5 expressions every day, which were new to you, then you will grow your language step by step and it will not take you a lot of time. So this is one of the ideas what you can do. I hope you enjoy it and it will be fun for you.